Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you want to download a CSV of your listing on Etsy, so basically you're using this platform to sell your own products. It depends, you can basically do handmade, vintage, or even more custom ones as well. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually download the CSV of Etsy listings in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go all the way, open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Etsy.com, or just look for Etsy, then tap on this thing. All the way, we're gonna come here to tap on this login. You will be able to see this login. If you are logged out, tap on it. Include your email address and password to access this dashboard. As for now, we're gonna go all the way to the shop manager in the top right corner. So tap on this manager, then go all the way to settings, click options, then scroll down to the download data section. Under listings, choose the CSV type you want. Then select date range if needed. Then click download CSV. So your listing file will download instantly to your own device. Don't even worry about it. I will say it again. Go, log in, shop manager, go through the settings, look for options, then download data button section. It's basically under listing. Then choose the CSV, and that's it. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.